Anyway, this is... Forgive me, you guys. Excuse that. Hey guys, I'm Michelle and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I decided to do like a full glam for black girls. I've been doing like soft glams and like all that other stuff. So I will be playing with color a little bit today, and I'll be using this Makeup Revolution palette by Tammi. This is the Tropical Carnival shadow palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. I have used this a couple of times. I tried out a couple of looks with this palette. I've also tried a blue look with this palette. So yeah, I'm gonna do a look today using this palette. So I've always wanted to do like a full glam look. I don't know why, I just really love soft glams. I've already done my eyes. Why is my backdrop moving? I've already done my eyebrows because I don't like doing my eyebrows on camera. It just takes too long for me to get them done. So right now I'm gonna prime my eyelids using my MAC concealer in NC45. Just gonna prime my eyelids a little bit using this. I was so excited to actually record this video. Anyway, I'm gonna use my LA Girl contour powder because it's way too dark on my face, so I'm gonna use it as an eyeshadow. And today, colorful glitter, so I'm really excited. As you guys can see, this palette is very colorful. Yeah, we're using color today. I don't know if I should... I just think it's too dark, you know. I don't know if I should put a little bit of red in there or just leave it the way it is. Okay, I think I will pop a little bit of red in there. Yeah, I'm gonna pop red. I'm going in this red, and this is spiced rum. No, not spiced rum, girl. This is Trini. I'm going in this red right here. Oof. This palette is very pigmented, I have to say, you guys. I just want to tone down this brown a little bit. So this is a very easy eye. I don't like doing complicated stuff on my eyes simply because I have hooded eyelids and I just don't like complicating things. My eyelids on their own, they're quite big. So I'm gonna bring it up a little bit into my eyebrows so everything blends in. Just like that. And yeah, anyway, for my eyebrows I use my MAC concealer, the one that I just based my eyelids with, and the Essence eyebrow pencil. It looks very well. It's blended very well. I like it. Okay, so now that I'm done with my base, I use my contour shade and a little bit of Trini. I'm gonna go in with a little bit again just to diffuse this brown. Okay, so now in my inner corners, I'm gonna go with this lime green right here. It's a shimmer shade and it's called Calypso. Okay, I like it. Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna use my fingers because... Okay, I'm gonna use my fingers. This is not working. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my fingers because it's not packing onto my lid the way I want it. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, this is so pretty. This is mad pretty. So I did also the photo that I posted a few weeks ago where I had that blue eyeshadow. I use this very same palette that I use all the blues, and this is the look that I created. So yeah, if you guys want me to recreate that look, just let me know. Okay, now I'm gonna go off camera and do this eye, and then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, now onto the face. I'm gonna use this moisturizer, this Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer. The reason why I'm using this is because during the summertime, I mean, I still use my vitamin C moisturizer, but during the summertime I prefer like a gelish hydrating moisturizer, especially for full glams. I prefer a gelish, like something that grips. So So anyway, after that, I'm gonna go in my favorite drugstore. You guys, I use this every single day now. I do have like a L'Oreal primer and a MAC primer and all that, but this is my new favorite. You guys probably know by now because I used this in my last video and a video prior that. So yeah, I really love this primer. Legit. You know, I'm gonna color correct. So today, instead of using my orange concealer, I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast. This is a few shades darker than me. For my 5 o'clock shadow, I'm gonna use the orange concealer. I was trying to avoid this today. Just track it down your neck if you have a very ugly neck like mine. So now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Strobing Cream in Pink Light. So of course we are going for full glam, so I'm gonna use my MAC liquid my MAC Studio Fix foundation, and I'm in the shade NC47. It's gonna look a bit brighter on camera because I did use a darker corrector, so it's gonna look way lighter on camera, but it will oxidize. This is my perfect shade, but because I'm under artificial lighting, it will look lighter, obviously. Takes me to dinner and wine and kisses me every night. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want. I'm gonna go back in with my favorite concealer, the MAC concealer. Taking my black Opel foundation stick again, I'm gonna contour. Tell me, what do you feel? Is it something inside of you? Oh, I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm using my my banana powder from Makeup Revolution. I'm just trying to speed throughout this whole thing so my battery doesn't die on me. Okay, now that we're done with baking, I mean, if you want to see how I bake, just go back to my previous video. It's simple as that. I just place my baking powder where I applied my highlighter and all that. Yeah, I'm not going to use that contour powder that I used. I'm going to use this NYX California Beaming bronzer, and this is Beach Bum. Then I'm just going to place it where I applied my contour cream. You know I'm gonna pack this on my forehead, right? Y'all know I'm gonna pack this on my forehead. Okay, I'm gonna move on to my eyes, and then I'm gonna line them a little bit and apply my false lashes. So I always use this brand from Eylure by Jordyn Nudes, but today I'm using a different style, and this is LA Baby. It has a, you know, it has the outer corners are a lot more longer than the inner corners, unlike my regular ones. I use my fingers to apply my lashes. I don't use tweezers. Yeah, so I don't know, it's much more safer. I don't feel comfortable having objects around my eyes. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Super Easy eyeliner and I'm just gonna line them. I'm gonna use my MAC false lashes waterproof mascara. It's much more easier using fingers and tweezers, I think. Okay guys, so we back. My battery died, but I didn't do much. I just only applied this left lash and I also applied mascara underneath. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and do my lower lash line. Right, and then I use my MAC black liner and engraved. This is I love this already. I love this look. And then I'm gonna use my MAC blush and Pinch Me Sheer Tone. I'm so confused. Okay, let me just line my lips and then I'll decide if I'm going for a bold lip or not. Oh, by the way, I'm using my MAC lip liner in Chestnut. Okay, now I think I'm gonna go for a bold lip. Yeah, I'm not gonna play it safe. And I'm gonna use my MAC lip gloss in 332 Desire. I'm going bold. Okay. Okay, I don't regret my decision. Alright. Now I'm gonna set my face using my MAC fixing spray before I apply mascara on my lower lashes. So I'm gonna take my Maybelline False Lash Mascara, False Lash Lift Mascara, and just apply it on my lower lashes. Now I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna use this Eylure Luminous Glow illuminating powder. Only gonna highlight right underneath my eye. I'm not gonna drag it anywhere, I'm just gonna put it right here.
Okay, so now on to the hair.
I'm just gonna comb things out and make sure everything is in place. Anyway, this is your, oh my gosh, I have my tongue ring in today. Oh, forgive me you guys, excuse that, I don't know. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is my final full glam look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.